YouTuber's pet fish has allegedly committed credit card fraud while playing video games. In an astonishing incident caught on camera via the Mutekimaru Channel, a Japanese YouTuber had their credit card fraudulently used by none other than his pet fish. This unbelievable event has since gone viral and left viewers in awe of how ingenious this aquatic mastermind truly is. Renowned for its clips of fish playing Nintendo Switch games through motion detection software, the channel captures data from a tank's inhabitants and translates it into in-game commands. This technology allows these aquatic creatures to be players with their movements around the environment as they swim. However, the YouTuber soon noticed some suspicious activity on his credit card statement and realized that the fish had been playing games at a rate far beyond what their owner usually allowed it to. The video game crashed, yet miraculously the Nintendo console proceeded to accept the aquatic gamer's input signals, soon after they navigated their way to the Nintendo store, where users can buy games and other digital items. The fish had used the YouTuber's credit card to purchase a variety of games and items, some of which were quite expensive. The fish maneuvered through the water in a manner that allowed them to gain access to the store, purchase an item, and then depart before returning. This incident has raised questions on how and why the fish had access to the YouTuber's credit card information, leading many to question if the incident was an act of fraud. To the astonishment of its owner, the fish eventually charged 500 yen, equivalent to about $3.85, from a saved credit card on his Nintendo Store account and unknowingly exposed this sensitive information during its live stream purchase for all viewers to see. The swimmers utilized the N64 emulator to access their saved-up gold coins, obtained through purchases at the owner's Nintendo shop, to acquire a golf-themed cosmetic from Nintendo Switch Sports, as reported by Kotaku. It is still unclear exactly how the pet fish was able to access and use the YouTuber's credit card details. However, experts in computer security suggest that it could be a result of either phishing or malware. Follow AID for more fascinating news and updates. Thanks.